Greenberg,
Okay.
please be careful.
Do you want me to put you halfway down
Why?
so you're slower? You're probably better off.
She's
like that.
conserving the Uggs.
Please just be careful.
Okay.
Please don't get water in here. Greenberg!
You're going in. Get water in it.
Greenberg, be careful.
You barely got any.
Like this?
Yep.
Oh God, it smells in here.
Now, if you get into that slush, it's going to be a lot harder to paddle. What? Paddle backwards now.
Nate, how do you zoom?
Jackie!
Nate, how do you zoom?
That little button on the top here. This thing goes left and right.
Oh.
Paddle backwards, like you were paddling forwards. There you go. Just keep doing that. Use the other side now. Yep, push back.